I'm Rick Murphy, and I'm one of Minn Kota's many pro staff, and I gotta tell you, the new Talon by Minn Kota has really changed the way we do shallow water anchoring. Now, there is a lot of competitors out there. There's a competitor that has shallow water anchoring device, and the reason why I choose the Talon is because, one, it deploys straight down. It's telescoping, so there's no hinging parts. There's no hoses to get kinked. There's no hoses to get caught in the hinging parts as they go up or go down. But more importantly, I'm able to simply deploy the Talon by pushing my button one time. Once it touches the bottom, I'm good. When I get ready, I don't have to keep pushing the down to keep it holding the bottom. As we bounce around, the Talon has a rough water mode, and when it's really rough, I push the button and it actually helps me hold the bottom by the amount of pressure that it takes to actually hold the Talon in gear. Now, when it's time to move on to the next spot, after I've landed my fish and released him safely, now I'm just gonna push the up button one time and the Talon comes up without having to hold the button. Now, the Talon also comes with 2 remotes and is considerably cheaper than some of the other products. So I really want to tell you, the Talon has really changed the way we do think in shallow water anchoring.